The Aqara G5 Pro camera provides high-definition clarity with its 4-megapixel resolution and wide field of view, ensuring detailed surveillance footage around the clock. Its true-color night vision capability, supported by a powerful large aperture and dimmable spotlight, allows for clear identification of intruders, even in low-light conditions. The camera is equipped with advanced local AI detection features, enabling it to recognize various visual and sound anomalies, making it a reliable security solution. Functioning as a hub, the G5 Pro seamlessly integrates with multiple smart home ecosystems, offering flexibility in connecting various Aqara and third-party devices. With support for HomeKit Secure video and multiple storage options, this camera ensures your recorded data remains private and accessible only to authorized users. Installation is simplified with Power over Ethernet technology, reducing the need for additional cables and making setup straightforward even for non-technical users.